Morning student, myself Care Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 10 subject Geography, chapter 1st, Resources and Development. Firstly, we understand the what is resources, why resources is important. So natural endowment in the form of land, water, vegetation and mineral are called natural resources. Those things have been present in nature, those have been utilized by the human being, those have been not made anyone, that will be generated naturally, that is called resources are material which can be transformed in such a way that they become more valuable and useful for fulfilling human need. Human can be use different types of resources, for example, a river, land, water, lake, mineral, that is useful for human being, and different types of material will also transform from one form to another, change, and that will be used to human being. So resources can be classified in following ways. Those resources have been classified on the basis of origin and the exhaustibility. So we will see one by one. Firstly, we'll see on the basis of origin. So on the basis of origin, resources can be differentiated in two parts. First one is biotic and second one is abiotic resources. Biotic resources means all living organism in our environment are called biotic resources. Those types of organisms are living in the form, and those have been present in our environment, and they are called biotic resources. For example, trees, animal, insects, etc. Second types of resource is abiotic resources. Abiotic resources are those type of resources, those are present in our surrounding in non-living form. All non-living things present in our environment are termed as abiotic resources. For example, earth, air, water, mineral, rock, those are present in our environment, those are abiotic resources. Second type is on the basis of exhaustibility. That can be categorized in two forms: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. It is very important and it is coming in every year. So first one is renewable resources. Some resources can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanized process. Those type of resources can be renewed, can be reproduced again and again. That is called renewable resources, and different types of methods also used in that mechanized process. For example, solar and wind energy, water, forest and wildlife, those things are renewable resources. Second types of resources is non-renewable resources. These occur over a very long geographical time, that have been present in very starting of the begin of the our geographical time period. For example, mineral and fossil fuel are example of such resources. Those type of resources is, example is mineral and fossil. Those have been not formed in a single day. Those have been very millions of years will be formed, will be taken for making the that types of mineral and fossil fuel are the example of non renewable resources. Okay, thank you very much.